Alright, now take a look at this. I'll press on the side key to wake up the phone. You can see we've got this cool new transition effect on the lock screen. Now let me set a different wallpaper here. Now again, let's wake up the phone. As you can see, we have got this cool new transition effect. Now let me set one more wallpaper here. You see this? It looks just fantastic. Now this is a brand new feature added by the GoodLock team on the Wonderland plugin on GoodLock application. And this feature has been added with a brand new update. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. Let's go to the Wonderland plugin. As you can see, this is the plugin here. Let me show you the version number. The version number is 1.3.01. And in the What's New section, you can see supports new type of wallpaper that includes transition effect when user turns on the screen. Feature now added on the Samsung Galaxy phones through this plugin. We also have some features for the foldables. As you can see, it says for fold devices, users can set different wallpapers for each display. For fold and flip device, users can connect transition effects on folding angle through dynamic animation option. Now, if you have a foldable device, you can check these new features out on the Wonderland plugin on GoodLock application. Now, I do not have the foldables with me. I will be getting the Fold 5 very soon. So once I get it, probably I'll make a quick video on how this feature works on the foldables. But for now, those of you who are using Samsung Galaxy phones which supports GoodLock, you can try this all new feature. Now let me open the application and show you how exactly this feature works. As you can see, the moment you open it, earlier we just had create your own moving wallpaper. Now we have got this brand new option, create your different lock screen effect. Let me just tap on this. Now I have a few of them which I have already created here. Now let me just create a new one here. I'll tap on plus. Now this is where you can select an image from the gallery. I'll tap on gallery here and I will select a picture here. Let's go with this one here. Now at the bottom, we have got this select option. Let me tap on this. You see, we have got different transition effect options here, and we can also preview them. Let me just tap on CRT. As you can see, this is the preview. We have got this preview option here, screen off and screen on. This is how it looks when you wake up the screen. Now here we have got an icon to customize this transition effect. I'll tap on this. You see, we've got the speed option. We can increase the speed or decrease the speed by using this slider over here. And we also have options to change this to horizontal or vertical. This is for this particular effect. Each effect has got its own parameters or its own customization options. We have got color option also. We can select the color we want and tap on done, and I'll tap on done here. Now this is the preview of this particular lock screen transition effect which I've just created. Now let's tap on save and you can rename it here. I'll tap on save. Now this is available right here. I can select this and set it as wallpaper. Now let me show you this effect. I will lock this phone. I'll press on the side key to wake up the phone and this is how the effect looks. Now the problem here is when you set this lock screen effect, the same wallpaper will be applied on the home screen as well. I hope the GoodLock team fixes this. We should get an option to select a different wallpaper on the home screen, and on the lock screen we should be able to add the transition effects on any wallpaper that we select, or any of the wallpaper categories from the dynamic wallpapers we select. We should be able to use this effect. That would be really great. Let's wait and see if there is any changes which is going to happen in the future. Now let me go back. Let me tap on the same image again. Now we will be able to edit the same transition effect that we have created. I'll tap on edit. Now I'll tap on these options here. I will tap on pixelate. Now this is how the pixelate option transition effect looks like. I have got different customization options here. We have got speed and pixel size here. This is pretty cool. Now each transition effect has got its own customization option. Now let me select ripple. This is the ripple effect, and we have got these settings here. Now let me select the spear. This is how the spear would look like. This looks pretty cool. Now let me select warp. You see, this is how the warp effect looks like. This is just fantastic. We will go to another effect, edge effect here. This is the edge effect. Now let me select the blur effect. This is the blur effect here, and again we have got speed and intensity of the blur which can be adjusted. Let me tap on save. Now I'll set as wallpaper. Let me wake up the screen now. You see, this is a very smooth transition effect I have just set now. You can customize it the way you want. This is a fantastic feature Samsung has added on its Good Lock module Wonderland. If you're into customization, you are going to love this feature. Using Wonderland, we can not only change the transition effect, we can also create our own wallpapers. You can just tap on create your own moving wallpaper by tapping on this option, wherein you get loads of customization options. Let me just quickly show that to you. I'll tap on new. Here we can select the image from the gallery. I'll just select this particular image. We've got this icon where we can customize this wallpaper further. As you can see, we can add more images, we can add text, we can add video. We've got particle effect here. Let me tap on this to show you the particle effects. You see, this is the particle effect that you get, which looks beautiful. Now we can remove these effects, or we can add further more effects on this particular wallpaper. This is how we customize a moving wallpaper on Wonderland. This is just an amazing application, amazing plugin on Good Lock, which enables us to customize the wallpapers. And now with this new addition, we can customize the lock screen transition effects as well. I'm really excited to use this feature. Let me know whether you have got the update on your Wonderland plugin on the Good Lock. Drop a comment, and while you do that, be sure you subscribe to the channel to know your phone better. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.